What's going on, guys? My name's Viet. Welcome back to the channel. Today is a big day. We're gonna lower the M3 with the KW height adjustable spring kit. Stay tuned. So right now we're on the way to WTF Motor Sports here in Orlando. I'm finally back. It's been like over a month. The videos that you've been seeing in the past have been in Fort Myers, Florida with my girlfriend's parents. We've been staying with them since the pandemic started, but we're finally back in Orlando. I'm finally back in my garage. I got all my tools and everything that I need to dial in the car. I'm super excited to be back. Super excited to be back with the boys. We're definitely gonna be having some rallies and events coming up, so I'll be sure to capture all that. So thank you guys for watching again. Alright, we just pulled up to WTF Motor Sports. Look what came in today. My tag finally after a month. So now I can order a custom vanity plate through the DMV. And got the springs in the back. It's the last look of stock. So here's a before. We got E46, E90, E92, 5 Series, old 2002, some more Beamers, Beamers everywhere. We got everything laid out right here. It's Raymond today, cool guy. So while Raymond's working on my car doing the springs, I'm going to be doing some DIYs as well, like putting on my new license plate and putting on my rear extensions for my diffuser. That video is coming soon. Just want to let you guys know we're going to be doing a diffuser video separately. I know I already put the rear piece on and then I put the side extensions on in this video, but we'll do a review and I'll let you know how the install went for each piece in a separate video. Just finished the diffuser. Officially done. Alright, so we just lowered the car. It looks so good. But we're trying to dial in the height right now because I want to run like a 10mm spacer in the back. Probably a 10mm in the front. Front looks good. I'm going to keep it like that because of the lip. But we're trying to dial in the back right now.
Through the intersection sideways and pull up to the next light, and he's like,
just left WTF Motor Sports. Thank you to Raymond and Curtis for taking care of me. The car is fucking dialed in. Can't wait to get in alignment and get some spacers on for that flush fitment. I'll be sure to leave a link in the description down below with all of WTF Motorsports' links and their Instagram page. Big shout out to them. Alright, so basically what Raymond did was he dialed in the front. We found a good medium point where the front lip and the ride height was a good amount, so I'm happy with that. And for the rear, when we first put the spring on, it was slammed, so we had to raise it up a little bit because if we didn't, then if I put a spacer on, I would rub, you know what I mean? So we raised it up a little more. Right now it looks fucking perfect, but I'm gonna order some 10mm spacers or 12 maybe after I get my alignment done, so stay tuned for that.